Traders, welcome back to another monthly recap. Guys, October has come to an end and it was a month to remember. This month I actually had my best week of trading ever. It was a month to remember. It's a month of inspiration. It's a month for progress. It's a month, pushing us in the right direction. We had quite a few red days this month, but we were able to overcome and still have a solid month. A couple of the most noticeable red days were on Mondays. We had a 360 loss, 390 loss, and then followed by Friday the 7th, where we were down 244. Not terrible, all things considered, but we want to try our best to keep the red to a minimum. Let's jump over to our detailed section. In fact, let's go to win-loss versus days. So we had 13 green days, 8 red days, 61% accuracy in terms of day-over-day turnover, red or green. On our average win on our green days, we had $802, right? Pretty solid right here. 802, right? Average daily gain, not bad at all. 270,000 shares of volume. Pretty decent. 54% accuracy. Not bad. Average winning trade 20 seconds. Average losing trade 10 seconds. Scratch trades are at 5 seconds. This is worth noting. Biggest loss was eclipsing my biggest winner, which I didn't like. Down 635 for the biggest loss, and 550 for the biggest gain. So not bad. But could have been better here. We took a big loss, I believe, at the end of the month here, and that happened. So that's how it goes. On the losing days, now this is good. We had quite a few losing days, but we're only averaging 206 in our red days, so pretty good. Less volume, so we're tampering it back, not pushing it as hard. I think it's good recognition. And on these days, generally, our accuracy is just low. We're having a hard time connecting on great opportunities. It seems like we are also holding our losing trades slightly longer. Let's see, 12 seconds versus 8. So we're holding our losing trades 4 seconds longer on average on losing days. Not good. Not good at all. So we got to improve upon that. Largest gain 287, largest loss 274. Let's jump on over to the detailed section. This is where it gets a little spicy. Total gains on the month. Of course, guys, these are gross profits. A little bit of fees will be taken out of this. Not a huge percentage, but a little bit. Gross profits here on the month, $8,775.02 for an average of $417 per day. Pretty solid, pretty decent. Up, well, not up, but in terms of volume, 200,000 shares of volume traded per day on the month. This, we still need to push to 500,000 and then 1 million. We're not taking enough share size. We need to buy more in these trades. Total number of trades in the month, 1,100. 51.6% accuracy, which is not bad. 46% accuracy for the losing trades. Let's see. Largest gain, as mentioned, 550. Largest loss, 635. Average trade gain, was $7, not bad. Our profit factor is at 1.43. I pay for TraderView Silver, not the TraderView Gold. As commissions is not really a big fee here. We don't pay commissions. We do pay other fees though. On the month, we made for total losses, total gains, win-loss comparison, 29,000, and we lost 20,000. Right, so 8,700 as mentioned. This is our equity curve. So as mentioned, in the last week of the month is where we really made a killing. We were up 1,600 at best, and then 1,800 at best, and then we really took off. In fact, let's look at the last couple of days of the month here. Let's go back to the 24th and filter, and you guys will see 7,300. I didn't even realize, 7,300, man. In the last week of trading, 56% accuracy. And you can see here the volume is up a little bit more. Almost twice the volume. So we have to take more trades. Let's say more size on the trades, and we're doing an average of 1,200 a day. impressive, crazy, right? Solid. So it can be done. It can be done. It can be done. A bit better ratio here, 2 to 1, 16 to 8, not bad. Um, so let's bring that back, right? Pretty interesting to look at some of the clusters, right? So yeah, let's go to day and time. Our best performing day was Friday, then followed by Wednesday. Thursday we could have done better. Thursday we could have definitely done a little bit better, and then Monday, Tuesday not so far behind. Best time of day, the first hour, of course, 9:30 to 10:30, and we can break this down by 15 minutes, right? 9:30, you can see the 10:30 is where we're doing our best, and then it kind of goes down a little bit, and then we made back money. This, I remember, this was a one particular day, I believe, where we had a losing trade. Power hour wasn't so strong for me this month, although we did see, some profits. Yeah, so not bad here. We can go back to 1 hour. October month, not bad. Price and volume, we did our best between 2 and 5. We've been seeing a lot more cheaper stocks between 2 and 5 recently. Under $2, we're down 450. I think we might have took a loss on a stock that was at like 110, where we had a big red trade, and that was about it. Above $10, you haven't been seeing much, and it seems like I'm down 260 on something. I can't even remember trading a stock above $10 this month. Stocks, QNGY, TSHA, FNGR, EPIX, PEGY, EFSH are some of the more notable ones. And on the red side, it's funny because for some of you guys, like, SONN recently, and I'm down on this one, 137. For some of you guys, SONN might be in your top 5, I mean, it was such a good stock the last few days. But I did not perform well. INPX, KITT, LASE, SOBR, down 270, 260, 240. But one thing I would like to say is that there is a good difference, right? A lot of distance between the stocks we're most green on and the stocks we're most red on. I think this is good risk management, all things considered, right? 27, 2, 1.3, 1.2, 1.2, 1.1, 298, then the sharp drop off versus, these numbers here. So I think that's good. We've done our best on stocks that have traded over 25 million shares of volume in a day. Market behavior, I don't really look at this much. And you can choose between the SPYs, the Qs, whichever one you want to look at. There's some other indices here. But as the SPY is down, flat or down 1%, we did 3K. If it's up 1% or more, we did about 4K. And if the SPY was red, we were flat on the day. So maybe there's some, there's definitely some correlation between the overall market and the small caps. In the past, I didn't used to believe that, but it definitely is. Because when large caps in the overall market is very bullish, very strong, generally we're seeing more opportunities in the small cap land. So yeah, guys, here you have it. All of the metrics laid out. We can do a little bit of zoom here in case my head is in the way. Is there anything that we're missing? Once again, overview, right? October month. We can take a look at the overall year and where we're at on the year right now. For those of you who might be interested in that, so we can go back to detail and we can check January 1, 2020. You guys will see about 52,000 on the year. So far, so good. We've done better than we did last year, which is a good improvement in a weaker market, right? Pretty worthy. Worth noting, rather, right? I think it's impressive. Also, I didn't make money in January and February, of this year, and so it was a tough start to the year for me. Coming off of a good Q4 last year, I'm down 118 over these 2 months. I didn't really pick it up until February 22nd is when I really picked it up. You can see I made $500 in the last week of February. So if we filter out February completely and we just go to March 1, we'll have to do it over here, March 1, March 1st, to where we are now, end of October, we've essentially made all of our money in 8 months. So this is pretty promising. It lets me know that, I'm improving, I'm getting better. I have to continue working on my craft and continue improving, and in due time, I'll be able to see even more gains. And so, this is a beauty, man. One day at a time, one trade at a time. Some quick words of motivation for those of you who are out there, whether you're a red trader, a break-even trader, a small green trader, big green trader, or maybe deep in the red. It's all about progress, right? We can't dwell in the past. Yesterday is history, right? Tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a present, right? Today is present tense. And so we have to put in the work today to sort of take away a lot of that mystery for tomorrow, and let's not dwell on the past. Put in the work today for a better tomorrow, and do not obsess over what could have been, what you could have done, what you didn't know and now you do know. Just learn, and learn from your mistakes. Each loss is a lesson learned, and push forward, push forward, push forward. That is the main thing. Keep studying, keep looking for ways to actively be better at your trading, keep reviewing those trades, screen record your trades, and eventually you can get there, man. It's not guaranteed for any of us, but it's something that can be done. And so let's keep working, guys. Let's keep at it. I believe the best is yet to come from me. I'm going to keep pushing. And so, I encourage everyone to keep pushing. Let's keep progressing and become better traders over time, guys. It's been Relentless Trader. I hope you did enjoy. Quick monthly recap here. I am, of course, signing up. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. I go live every weekday morning around 8:59 a.m. Can't forget. Now I'm signing out.